You may have already heard that RPR has introduced a beta version of the next generation of reports. But did you know you can access those same reports on the RPR app? That's right. You can now access the new reports in the app, customize them to your preferences, and view your changes in real time. You can even create your own templates, access any templates you've made on the website, and finally run and share your reports, which now have a live link that refreshes the report every 48 hours when clicked. Let's get started. Tap Reports to create a new report, or view and share recently created reports. All reports you run will appear here, both the beta and the legacy versions. Beta reports are highlighted in green with a beta tag. Tap Create Report. At the bottom of the screen, select View Beta. Now you'll see the beta reports templates, both those provided by RPR and any you've customized and saved. A great best practice is to create templates on the website and then access them on the go on the app. Here at the top, note you can change this from residential to commercial templates with just a tap. Tap back to go back to the previous screen. Right now, only property-centric reports such as the buyer and seller residential reports and commercial property reports are available in the new reports generator, but be on the lookout soon for area reports like market activity, neighborhood and schools, and commercial trade area. Since only property-centric reports are available, you'll need to type in a complete address at the top search bar, then select your template. You can also get to this beta reports editor from a property details page by selecting reports on the lower left and then following the same prompts. Give your report a title. Note this does show on the upper right of your report. If you don't change it here, it will default to the template name. Tap Continue. Now we're in the reports editor. As you can see, your report title is here on the upper right. If you want to change the name, select Edit Title, and you can update the report title here. Select Save to save your changes. On the bottom of the app, find your customization options. In the Customize tab, you can fully edit your report. Use the arrows to expand and collapse each section. Check or uncheck the elements you want in your report. Add all section elements by selecting the checkbox here, or unselect the entire section the same way. Each section also identifies how many individual elements are in that section and how many you've selected. So you can see here we don't have any of the maps showing, but we have 5 out of the 16 of the elements in the property information section showing. Rearrange the sections by dragging and dropping the element. You cannot move individual elements out of one section into another, but anywhere you see these gray blocks to the left of an element, you can drag and rearrange. Once you're satisfied with what you've selected in the report, select Apply to view in the preview now. Apply is what saves your changes and regenerates your report in the viewer. It's important to note that the way the report looks in the viewer is how your report will run. So if you aren't seeing changes in the report viewer, make sure to go back and select Apply to your customization options. Every time you tap Apply, you'll be redirected back to the report's viewer to see your changes. Tap Reset to go back to the pre-generated settings of this report. To edit your cover page, tap Cover, or from the Customize tab, Edit Cover. You can choose from all property images by tapping View All. This includes photos you've added from the property details page or mobile app, historical images, or map views if available. If you need to upload your own photos, just select Add Photos and upload them here. You can take a photo or select from an album. Follow the prompts to add your photos. Select the checkbox in the upper left corner of the photo to use as your cover photo. Tap Apply to save your changes, or move back to your cover page elements by tapping the words Property Images. Customize what elements from your profile you want shown on the report by checking or unchecking the boxes. This information comes directly from your profile information in RPR. You can edit this within the main menu in the app or on the website. Personalize the message you want on your report. Select Apply to save your changes, and see those changes reflected on the reports editor. Tap the Custom Pages tab to select or deselect any pages you've added from the website. Right now, you're unable to add your own custom pages from the app, but you'll see anything you or your broker has added here. Tap the box in the upper left to add to your report and select Apply. The Notes tab will showcase any notes you've added to the report from the property details page or from the app. You'll see an annotation of where you added the note, from general notes to individual sections on the property details like the property facts. Select the notes you want to appear in the report and tap Apply. The Photos tab will show all the photos associated with the property, including photos you've uploaded yourself. Unselect any photos you don't want on the report. Tap Apply to see your changes reflected. Once you're satisfied with all the changes you've made, scroll through the viewer to see the entire report before running it. Note, this report has not been run yet. Tap Run Report. Now you have a few options. You can view report. This generates a link to the report that will automatically update every 48 hours when clicked. Use your share options to text, copy, or airdrop the link. To have a copy of the report that does not update, you need to download the PDF and save to your own files. Select email to email that link to yourself or a client with a personalized message. Select share to use your phone share options like airdrop or texting the report. You can also save this report as a template. This means the selections you've made will save, and you can quickly run this exact report for any property with those presets already crafted. Select Save Selections as New Template, name your template name, and select Save Template again. This will now show in your report templates. Once you've created your report, you can access it from the Property Details Reports page for the report run or the Reports tab on the home page. Tap Reports to view all reports. All next-gen reports run will be designated with the beta flag. Tap to view or share. Slide from the right to edit the report or delete. Remember, everything you've created on the website you can access on the app and vice versa. If you create your own templates on the website and want to quickly generate a report while you're on the go, you can do that faster than ever in the app. Now you're all set to start generating and customizing your own reports. New preset RPR templates will be added in the coming months, as well as us incorporating feedback from users as we refine and perfect the system the way you want it. Happy on-the-go reporting!